Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Company. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Sanchari and I do videos on makeup reviews and hauls, and today is yet another makeup video. I have created this burgundy eye makeup look and tried to use as many drugstore products for you guys as possible. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Hi there, my face is already prepped, eyebrows are done. Now let's move on to priming our face, and for that I'm using NYX Honeydew Mia Primer. This will give me a nice youthful glow. Then to blur out my enlarged pores, I'm going to use e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Taking some, and I will be concentrating just on the T-zone of my face. Next step is foundation, and for that we are going to use Rimmel Match Perfection foundation, and all the product details I have linked in the description, so please have a look. Now I'll be blending it out with a sponge. You can use brush or sponge, whichever is feasible for you. Now we are going to do some highlighting concealer, and for that I'm using my Flower Beauty in the shade light medium and concentrating on the middle of my face and under my eyes, and I will be blending it out with the same sponge. Take your time while blending the product into your skin, so that way it will give you a flawless look. Next, for my cream contour, I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I will contour the outer perimeters of my face, like the jawline, the cheekbones, the forehead and the sides of the nose. And I will blend it out with a sponge. Sponge gives a nice flawless effect. It will blend the product into your skin very nicely, and it won't leave any kind of streaky marks, just like the brush. Whatever product is left on the sponge, with that I'll contour my nose. Now I will use some liquid highlighter, and I'm using my Balm Cosmetics highlighter. I'll take it on the back of my hand, and then I will apply it with the sponge. This will give me a nice natural look. So basically I will place this on the highest points of my face. Now to set my under eyes and the highlighted areas, I will use my Rimmel Silky Touch loose powder in the shade Translucent, and I will be applying it in very light layers because it's winters already and I don't want to use powder products more. Now moving on to our eye makeup, priming my lids with the same concealer and blending it out with a concealer brush, setting it out with the powder. For today's eye makeup, I'm going to use my iMagic 30 Color Galaxy Shine eyeshadow palette. From that I will be taking that shade Toffee, and I will place it first and then I will blend it out with a blending brush. I'm going to increase the intensity little by little, that way I will not have to go overboard. And then I'm going to take the shade Claret from that palette and I will place it on my entire lid area. But before that I will take a scotch tape like this, press it couple of times on the back of my hand, and then I will apply it to the edges of my eyes, and then taking my Morphe M506 brush and I will blend out that shade. Now with the shade Maple, I'm going to diffuse the edges of the shade Claret, and this I will do it in light circular motions, just like feather touch, not giving any kind of pressure. Now taking the shade Toffee again, and I will blend all the shades together to make it look seamless and smooth. Then with that black shade known as Sable, I will draw a winged eyeliner. Basically I'm going to do a smoked out wing liner, and then with the shade Claret and Sable I will smoke out that liner. Applying some concealer to the area where I had applied the scotch tape, because I know while removing that tape I had lost some of the product, so basically I'm doing some touch-ups. With the shade Sable and Claret, I will place it just on the outer 1/4 of my lower lash line, and I will further smoke it out with the shade Maple. For the lower and upper waterline, I'm going to use this Balm Cosmetics Mr. Right eye pencil. I don't remember the shade exactly, so I will mention it in the description. And then I'm taking that white shade known as Pearl and highlight my brow bone area. For my powder contour, I'm going to use my Rimmel Kate palette and taking that contour shade, and I will be setting the cream contoured areas, very light layers, and because it's winter already, so I don't want much of the powder products on my face. Next, for my blush, I'm using this Maybelline blush palette, and from that I'm taking that mauvey shade and placing it on the apples of my cheeks. Then taking the same Rimmel Kate palette, from that taking that highlighter shade and highlighting the highest points like my cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, the chin, a little bit on my forehead as well. For my mascara, I'm going to use my Rimmel Day to Night mascara. From that taking that length side, and I will coat my top and bottom lashes, applying some setting spray. This is from ColourPop All Star setting spray, and I will melt all the makeup and powder products in place, and then using a sponge to evenly distribute the products. Applied some falsies off camera, lining my lips first before applying any kind of lipstick, and for that I'm using my Swiss Beauty lip liner, and here I'm using my ColourPop Ultra Matte liquid lipstick, and here is the final look. Alright you guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial, and if you did like today's makeup look, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free, and don't forget to turn the bell notification on for my future updates, and also do like this video, and I shall see you soon on my next one. Till then, bye, take care.